What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working up with this section right here, and now I think that editing this theme is now very easy. You guys now already know that how this plugin works totally. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's dive into it. First thing I want to add is the about section, where I want to add something here. So that will be we'll go with the divider. Here would be an image. Here would be the content, and here can be any image right here that represents our company. So our company is basically for hardware. That is why I want to focus on that. So I just want to drag this column. I want to change the look of the column. I want to come here. I'm just gonna come here, and this says the duplicate column. So if I just duplicate it, you can see it will be 2 columns. You can see this is how it is working. Now here I want to add one thing, and that will be about the content, and here would be the image. So you have to basically focus on the box way. Now here what I have to do, first I think I should also add a heading right here. So let's go ahead, let's delete this, let's drag this heading, and let's drop it right here. I want to come here and I want to change this to be who we are. Okay, and there we go. I want to align this to center. I want to change the color. So let's come here, let's change the color to be black. Cool. Now what I want, I need the typography. I want to change this. So I want to increase the size. Okay, and I want to change the font, so it can be open sans. Okay, and I want to change the font, the weight. So this is now very much thinner. I just want to bring this to top right here, so above, so that it looks good. So I want to go to advanced right here, and I cannot bring this to top because this theme is restricting us to go above there. You can see that. Okay, basically the Ocean WP theme gives complete access to this theme, but this theme is just giving right here. But we can do that. How can we do that? We just have to come here to the margin. We have to just hit unlink values. We have to just bring this to top. So you can see this is going above, and I think this much is fine. Okay, cool. I want to come here and I want to hit save. So you can see who we are is coming right here. I want to go to the content. I want to come here and I just need to get that the divider. So I want to drag the divider, and I want this right here. You can see divider is coming right here. I want to go to the weight, so I want to increase the weight a bit. I want to just come here to drag this to center. I want to just bring this right here, this much. Okay, and I want to just decrease the gap. So I want this above right here. Okay, what I will do, I'll just come here, I'll just go to advanced, and I want to decrease the margin. So let's come here and let's just decrease it. You can see this is right here. This looks cool. Okay, if I just click this, you can see how this is looking. So this is just going, this is not coming. Okay, this theme is creating some mess. Okay, the reason is that because this theme is not completely optimized for that we have right here. So I want to just come here and I want to use the 0 because we cannot go beyond its limit. So this theme is not giving us everything. I want to come here. I just want to delete it. Okay, let's come here, delete this column. Let's drag this heading right here, and let's see if this heading is coming. So this heading is coming. We cannot change this. We cannot go above it. This theme is just limiting us. So basically, that is why I recommend to go with the Ocean WP theme. But I just wanted to make some changes, make some edits that have what extra things we can do with our theme. So I just want to add here who we are. Who we are. I want to drag this to center, and I want to change the color of this to be a bit of gray. I want to come here right here to typography, increase it a bit, and go to the font, so we can choose this. Let's go to the weight. So weight should be 300. I don't know why I like Open Sans, but I'm in love with this. Okay, now what I want to do, I just want to go to the line height, so I'll just choose the line height to be 0. Okay, I want to go to the content right here, and let's see if we can see this. Okay, we can see this now. So I want to go to this guy right here. I want to drag the columns, and I want to drop it right here. Okay, and here should be everything. So let's come here, and we need some text here, right here. I want to go to the text editor, and right here I want to add some text. So I'm just gonna copy all this, copy and paste, 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 paste. Okay, I want to come here, and I want to hit backspace. Let's go above. Let's hit delete. Let's go above, and let's hit this. So you can see this is a whole paragraph that is coming. I want an image right here, so I'm just gonna go to the image, and this is right here. So what is the image that we should get? The free website that if you will be using right now would be pixabay.com. Keep that in mind, guys. These extra things are gonna help you a lot because you need to get the best images, and Pixabay has some of the best images. So I'll be just going up with a transparent, and I need a hardware. Okay, there we go. So I need basically I think I like this one. This is not going up with the theme color. We pretty well need a colorful thing. I think this one, or this one, or this one. This one, cool. This one looks cool. Okay, I want to come here. I want to just select this, and I want to hit download. This is being downloaded. I want to go to this guy right here, and let's come here to choose your image. Let's delete it. Let's hit upload files, and let's drag and drop. So here we go. This is right here. I want to come here, and I want to hit insert media. So this is coming here. I want to go to the medium size, thumbnail, the medium size. Let's go to style. Let's just decrease it a bit so that it looks fill. Okay. Everything looks cool. So you can go with the hover animation, so you can go with the pulse, or you can go with the grow, so it would be grow, but I don't think so if animation looks cool. So you can see our who we are section looks pretty well. I want to add a new section, and my new section should be the full width. Okay, what I want right here, I want to just come here to edit section, and I want to stretch this section. I want this section to be full width. Okay, and I need a background image. So my background image is going to be style. Let's go to the normal. Let's go to the background type, and I want to go to the image right here. So I need an image. I think we have an image. Let's go. Let's search if we have any image right here. This one. Okay. I want to hit insert media. Let's see if this is coming fully. Yes, this image is coming fully. Okay, I want to go to the position, so attachment should be fixed. Okay, so there might be some problems with your image. Okay, there might be some problems with this plugin. Some themes might not work great. Okay, like this theme is just restricting us to some things. Okay, but don't just lose your hope. You can try any other theme and use this plugin, or just go with the Ocean WP theme. So I'm just telling you a new way basically to how to implement it. I want to go to the size to be cover so that we have the parallax effect. Okay, I also want to go to the overlay, and I need an overlay right here. So let's copy this. Let's just go with this theme color thing. Okay, basically you have to focus on one thing, is that choose the color and then stick to it. Do not choose so many colors, otherwise it will look like a Joker style or anything. I don't know. Okay, I want to go to this color. So we have a purplish color. Cool. Okay, I want to increase this. I want to decrease it. Yes. Okay, I want to come here, and we are done with this. What I want right here. Okay, so this is basically a gradient. This is a blue, and this is a bit of purple. So I think I should be going up with the gradient. Okay, yes. and I want to go to the purple right here. So the purple. Okay, and I want to go to the location. So my location should be here. The angle should be 90 so that it comes directly. Okay, and I want to increase the location to be here. So now you can see that we are pretty well. We are creating. We have the first color to be blue and the second color to be blue, and then we have the location to be like this. We can also stick to the harder, and we can also just increase the location so that it goes here, right here. Okay. Now when we add something, you will see how great it is. I want to add something right here. Now I want to add some counters and everything. So we will be doing that in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.